In order to install the NordVPN in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop, you need to download the NordVPN from their website. The link I have given in the description. It is an affiliate link. You can download it from there. Once you will click that, you will reach the NordVPN website. From here, you can click this download app button to start downloading the NordVPN software or app. Once it is downloaded, you need to go to your download folder of your laptop and then look for this NordVPN setup.exe, double click it and start the installation process. You will be prompted with the this dialog box. You need to give the permission for installation by clicking this yes. In the next screen, you will be given the option to change the installation location. You can browse and select the folder where you want to install your NordVPN. We would suggest that you keep it as a default and click next. Next, you will have an option to create the desktop and start menu shortcuts. You can check both and click next, or if you don't want to create it, it's up to you. In any case, click next, proceed. Then you will be presented with the option of install, and then you can just press install and to start the installation process. It is going to take some time. Once the installation is done, you will get this finish option, and along with that launch NordVPN. You can check that to automatically launch the app and press finish. In case you forgot to check that, there is no problem. You can just double click the NordVPN icon on your desktop, or you can go to start menu and look for the NordVPN or search for NordVPN and click on that, and your NordVPN software is going to open up. You will be presented with the login screen, and needless to mention that you need to have a paid version of the NordVPN in order to log in. So in case you have that, add your email address here and press continue, and then you need to give the password and then click login, and then you would be logged into the NordVPN's software. You can just press quick connect to automatically connect to the default location, and you can wait for the status to change to connected, and it will be shown here, and you will be automatically connected to the default location. You can start your browsing, or else you want to change the location. You can click the any location given on the map in order to connect to that location, or else you can click on to the list which is shown here. You can click any of them. Let's say United Kingdom, you can click on that, and then so once you click on that, you will automatically be connected to the NordVPN server which is located in that region. Please don't forget to buy it from our link which is there in the description. To support the channel, you won't have to pay anything extra, but we'll get a small commission. It will help in running this channel. Thanks for watching.